When you want to send emails to customers, build a mailing list, promote products, or automate marketing, picking the right email tool makes a big difference. Two of the most popular tools creators and small business use are Constant Contact and Mailchimp. Both help you to send newsletters, manage contacts, and grow your audience, but they work differently and have unique pros and cons. In this video, we will compare them step by step and side by side way so you can choose the one that fits your need best. But before that, just welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to pick the right tools without any confusion. Today we will compare Constant Contact and the Mailchimp to big names in email marketing so you understand their advantages, limitations and pricing. If you want to explore these tools yourself, check the link from description below. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description because by using that link any available discount or offer will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, let's talk about what both tools do. Both Constant Contact and the Mailchimp are designed to help you build email campaigns, send newsletters, and manage the contact list. They let you design the email, schedule campaign, segment your audience, and track how your campaign perform. In simple word, they help you to communicate with your subscribers in a professional way without technical coding knowledge. One important difference is the pricing. MailChimp offers a free plan that lets you start email marketing at zero cost if you have a small list of contacts. This is especially helpful for beginners and very small projects that don't want to pay right away. Constant Contact does not have a permanent free plan, it offers only a trial period so you can test the platform before paying. For a small lease, MailChimp is often more affordable, while Constant Contact can become competitive at a larger contact sizes depending on your plan. When it comes to features, MailChimp generally offers more advanced automation and targeting tools. You can set up multi-step automated email journey, including SMS messaging with certain plans, and use smart segmentation to send customized messages to different groups. These features are powerful for businesses that want deeper control and personalization in their marketing. On the other hand, Constant Contact is known for being beginner friendly and easy to use. Its interface tends to be simpler, and many users find it intuitive to start email campaigns without any training. Event promotion tools and basic CRM features to manage contacts. Support options like live phone and chat help you and many beginners to feel more confident. Another difference is analytics and reporting. MailChimp gives more detailed insight and analytics, including AI-powered reports that shows you how your emails are performing, what content work best, and how your audience engages. Constant Contacts reporting is more basic but still useful to track the open, clicks, and list growth. Templates and design are also key factor. Both platforms offer a library of email template, drag and drop editors, and customization tools. Mailchimp often has the more flexible options in designing tool and layout options, while Constant Contact focuses on ease and simplicity in template use. Support and customer help offer too. Constant Contact provide the phone support, live chat, and email support across its plan, which many beginners find reassuring when they need quick help. MailChimp offered support like email and chat, but live phone support is typically limited to the higher tier plans, so beginners may rely on the online resources more. So, how should you choose? If you are just starting email marketing, have small list and want a free option with basic tools, then Mailchimp's free plan can be a great place to start. It gives you room to learn and grow your list before upgrading. If your priority is simplicity, reliable beginner support, and easy campaign setup, then constant contact may feel more comfortable. It is especially helpful if phone support and straightforward templates matter to you. So, if you plan to scale your email marketing and advanced automation, SMS tools, and deeper analytics, Mailchimp tends to offer stronger capabilities at higher tiers. On the other hand, if your focus is ease of use and strong support with smaller learning effort, then constant contact can be a solid choice. But in the end, both tools are popular and reliable email marketing platform, but your choice should depend on your specific goals and budget and marketing strategy. Whether you value advanced automation or simple usability, that more will guide your decision. So that's it basically for today's video. I hope this comparison helped you to understand the key differences between constant contact and the MailChimp in a simple way. If this video was helpful, like this video and subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more videos like this. Check the description for the link to both tools and any available offers. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.